Hello everybody, my name is Javavius Williams and I'm going to be showing you how to use the Smartboard today.
How do you turn on the Smartboard?
The way you turn the Smartboard on is you come over here to the power button and simply press it down, and that turns the Smartboard on, which I'm not going to actually do it right now because it's going to take some time to upload.
How do you calibrate the Smartboard?
There's two different ways that you can calibrate the Smartboard. One, you can simply press these two buttons right here in the middle, or you can come over here to the calibrate icon and just click on that, and you're going to click these little buttons all the way across the screen. Oh. Okay, and now it's calibrated.
How do you work with text?
Working with text, there's two different ways that you can work with a text. My personal favorite is clicking on the keyboard, and then you're going to come over here and click the little A for text. Draw out your text box, and then you simply type in what you want the class to learn. I'm just going to type in J for short. That's short for my first name. And that's one of the ways that you can work with a text. Also, another way is that you can come over here and you can click on the little ink pen icon. And I have to change size because I'm left-handed, so come over here and you write out what you want the class to learn. Draw out your text box and you click on this little arrow down, and it says recognize J, so you click recognize J. And that's also another way that you can work with a text.
How do you work with objects?
Working with an object, one of the ways that you can work with objects is you can come over here to the picture icon, click on it, and we're going to go to Lessons, Activity Toolkit 2.0. Okay, yeah. Scroll down to where it says Tools, and I'm going to draw up the circle. And that's one of the ways that you can work with objects.
How do you use object animation to hide and reveal feedback?
Okay, the way that you use object animation to hide and reveal feedback is you can just draw the shape over whatever answer you're trying to hide and reveal, and you can click it to hide it, and you can also click it again to reveal it. And another cool way that I found out that you can use to hide and reveal answers is you can click on this little icon right up here next to the X, and then you just slide it down to hide and reveal answers.
How do you use Infinite Cloner and work with digital ink?
Okay, so the way that you can use Infinite Cloner is come over here and you select your shape. Let me draw it out, a circle, and then you can just drag from the side. And that's one of the ways that you can use the Infinite Cloner.
How do you work with digital ink?
Okay, working with digital ink is I had something already pulled up here, so we're just going to go to the internet. And what you can do is you come over here to this ink pen. I already had it on. But anyway, you can circle information that you find helpful to your students, or you can also underline different things. You can draw arrows to and from. You can also write out, like I said, and then another thing you can do is you can click on the highlighter right here, and you can actually highlight information that you find important for your students.
How do you save items adding an ink layer to a separate file?
Okay, so the way that we're going to save items are we're going to come over here at the top, and we're going to click up here where it says Smart Ink. Click on that and we click Capture. And they should have saved it. So what you do, you come back down here to your Smartboard icon. And the way that you can check that is you click over here on the little blank pages, and you'll see that we have it saved over here to our Smartboard now.
How do you use multimedia objects?
Okay, so the way that I can use multimedia objects, I'm going to go back to this page right here. And once again, you click on this picture icon, and we're going to click on Gallery Extensions this time. And then I'm going to select the guitar. And it's going to play a sound, but you want to make sure that it's not touching any of your other shapes, because then you won't be able to hear the sound. So what do? You come over here and you click on this little audio symbol, and it makes the sound. Also, you can use it to call out words for students. This here is above, and we just click on the audio symbol, above, and it says the word. Okay, and that's everything, and that concludes my video of how to work the Smartboard.